In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Excel files to OneDrive. Let's jump right in with your Excel workbook open on the screen. Make sure you're looking at the exact sheet you want to save, because whatever is visible and active is what will be saved to the cloud. Now move your attention to the top left corner of Excel. You'll see the File tab, usually sitting at the very start of the ribbon. Click that. This opens the Backstage view, which is where all your file controls live. Things like creating new files, opening existing ones, printing, and of course, saving. From this view, choose Save As. Save As is the option that lets you decide both where the file should live and what format it should be saved in. This is especially important when you're moving a file from your device to cloud storage, because you want to point Excel to the correct location. Next, look for the OneDrive Personal option. You'll see it listed among your save locations. Click the OneDrive Personal tab on the left side to reveal OneDrive specific choices on the right. Then click the OneDrive Personal option that appears in the main area. This tells Excel you want to store the file in your personal OneDrive so it's backed up and available across devices. Before you save, check the Save as Type field. Make sure it's set to Excel Workbook. This is the standard bot XLSX format, and it ensures full compatibility with Excel features like formulas, formatting, charts, and most add-ins. If you save in a different format by accident, certain features might not behave as expected when you reopen the file. Keeping it as Excel Workbook is the safest and most flexible choice for everyday use. Once you've confirmed the location and the file type, go ahead and click Save. Excel will place your file in OneDrive and handle the upload behind the scenes. After a moment, you'll be working with the cloud-saved version, which is great for peace of mind and convenience. From now on, any additional saves will update the version stored in OneDrive so you can pick up where you left off from another computer or on the web. That's all there is to it. You opened your workbook, went to the File tab, chose Save As, selected OneDrive Personal, confirmed the Excel workbook format, and clicked Save. With these steps, your file is securely stored in the cloud and easy to access whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along again the next time you want to save an Excel file to OneDrive.